So I think we have to. This is day five. Uh, Before going forward, I should say that, and we do have to like complete chapter number three today. There was some exercises in it mentioned in the summary, like converting temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius, generating and generating the nth Fibonacci number, whatever it was. I actually forgot what it was. Like I knew I even have like programmed it in C Python, but right now I don't really know. And print the lyrics of Christmas Carol, something like that was too. I think I might have to use loops. I would try to use like the concepts I already know of in programming, like refactoring stuff. Before that, though, I would like to test something out. Like if my I've changed this setup a bit, so I'm hoping to see my setup work. And for that, just give me a moment while I'm seeing myself. Uh, while I'm checking my own stream on YouTube. To me, it seems fine, but to some, it may not seem completely fine, I guess. Hello. Brother, this 10-second lag or delay, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, let me turn down the music a bit to 10%. It should be fine. Someone's watching. I don't really know who that person is, but hey, wait a minute. Before I share my screen, let me open up Z. Uh, Wait, I'll just share my screen. Share the screen. Yep, entire screen. You should be able to see my screen now, and so we had to cover this stuff, I guess. There are only like three programs which I will create, but I would add some additional things that I think might be better. As I think directly jumping into the rest of the doc would be a dumb thing. So let's shift to uh, the directory actually. Uh, did I type something wrong? Or let I type Rust wrong actually. All right. Uh, we have to create a temp creator first. Cargo new temp. Uh, all right, now change to temp conf and not the ls. I mean cd. Sorry. And then open z here. Hmm. So the temp converter is like the basic thing from Fahrenheit to Celsius. All right. So, but it's too basic. I just want to increase the difficulty a bit by like adding a Kelvin in there. and then maybe allowing to select what the user want to give uh, as an input and what the user want to convert it into. Mm, maybe this is what I'm trying to do, might be a bit much for me as a beginner in Rust, but we have to try things to learn, I guess. All right, first we have to take the user input. So now no one's watching, which is good. For a moment I was like, brother, someone's watching me and I'm gonna fuck up something, but thankfully that didn't happen. Yeah. So actually, for user input we can actually we will create another function named user input. Brother, this fucking GPT stuff. How do you actually took the user input? I know that. Oh, yeah, I remember something. Let's use std io and from there we can call in the, what do you call it, the input stream. Input, no man, I fucking forgot. Oh, this part, I was directly jumping to this part, but we do have to like create a mutable variable plus. All right, stdin, yep. The fuck is it saying? You dumb bastard, now are you fine? Yeah, sure, man. And here I can call in user input. Now in here I can create a function called temp. Now bother conf, not one, conf let okay, so let temp is equal to equals input dot trim and then parse it. If what the fuck does unwrap means? F32 and then we can call it dot unwrap. Wait a sec, I fucking forgot the temp convert units, like how much was the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I think about 43. It was like a 43 or something, while Kelvin had like about 0 till 273. 0 degree Celsius is 273 degree Kelvin, I think. If I'm not looking for the conversion, I'm looking for a formula. SPI, which I forgot. Yep, it's 273 degrees. So 1 Celsius is minus 273 Kelvin. Never mind. I was like, huh? Nope, I was actually right. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, you have to add 273. I was right about that. From Celsius to Kelvin is opposite. Wait a second, I just realized I'm just taking in a user input, but I haven't like showed. Nah, but I haven't actually showed the menu right now. Should I change it to menu? Well, user input is just menus. What the fuck? Let's just call it main menu and print ln macro, and we can call the first one be uh, input. Should I type like we can use like CKF or 123 for that, but what should I use? We can type in something. Should I use Celsius for should I use alphabets or number one? I can't decide between them. Let's just convert it into numbers. Celsius, and the second one would be Fahrenheit, and the third one would be Kelvin, I guess. I would like put the handles later on, the other handlers later on. For now, it should just work. And now what I can do is now, do I really want to like use the match condition? You know what? What I'm trying to do is a bit more complex. Should I really go towards that route? I want to give the option for like each and individual one separately, but for that I would after that let's not call it input, let's call it control D, wherever this it is. Choice, sorry, it will be choice. Fucking hell. Wait a minute. And the input would be a bit different than choice. Input uh, enter the, and here temperature in, and around here the problem is this one would give the numbers. I can, however, is choice mutable. This fucking bastard, I redefined the choice. I'm an idiot. I can do this, and before like painting anything, wait a second, just give me a moment. Let's type choice equals Celsius to string. Now what's the problem here? You know what? I know it is. I'm gonna change it from choice to something else and call it. But this is a fucking. Should I? I am gonna do something that I don't think I should do, but you know what? No, what I can do is repeat this for like every single other one. Oh, it 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that. Okay, I forgot one thing. Should be on the next line. Close this. I don't think these are necessary anymore. I can do this for the readability improve. Let me, no, sorry, it's not, it shouldn't be mutable anymore. Unexpected token bind away with the primary useful at keyword. All right, I see why that problem arose. So let no, it's the fox, the error. I have used. Is it because I called it? Is it because I fucking called this out of the scope. Interesting. Hmm. What if I just remove that? I should still be able to, but that would be like, huh? Yep, I knew that. Anyways, it is not in the scope. I could make it global, I guess, but that would be an idiotic thing to do, I guess. The problem is I don't know how I can get the value out of the choice. Hmm. Wait. Someone is watching. Um, hello, whoever this person is. Diggs, by the way. Hey, what's up? I saw it like 8 minutes later, so but that should be fine. How do I take a value out of a match case? I mean, in Python, I don't really have that problem, but in Rust, it is like, huh? Or maybe I'm forgetting something because, like, I haven't opened Python in like months now. Even with the C, the last time I opened C was like more than a year ago. What can I do? The problem is the choice isn't in the scope. This is out of its scope, I guess. How do I somehow make it inside the scope? I purposefully made it a bit more complex, like the way I created in Python. Wait a minute. Let me check. How did I? If it's in my Python repo, brother, come on. I think it should be there, the thumb canon, so I don't really know if it will be there. Maybe I'll find it in like C. This working. Nope. I know this was just an image update or something like that. Maybe I'll find it in my DSA repo, who knows? Where the fuck it is? Huh, interesting. Mm, which repo was it? Yeah, maybe here. It's somewhere here, I guess. Yep, this was in like C sharp, I guess. No, brother, I just wanna see script. I forgot how I did it. I could just use the if else. The problem is I don't wanna use the if else in Rust. I want to do it through a match condition, which I don't think is in the fucking hell. Which one is which? I don't even know. So as I don't know which one is which. Um, Interesting. I didn't even mention. So I guess that's a no-no. Uh, should be. Do, do I really have to like check it one by one? Come on. You know what? Should I just write like temp in here? Theory assignment? The fuck is that? Let's write temp. There is temp, but not this temp, idiot. I just wanted something like, okay, so that is how it ended up. Hmm. I don't remember. I don't want to use the if else condition in these two. I want to use the match one. Let's ask GPT if I can even like do this. I can do this. The problem is running the next condition, which is this part. This actually won't pick this one up, and it's more likely gonna pick this one, which is like a number, I guess. And the reason for that is it's out of its scope. This one or this one, they're limited to their scope. You know what? I am gonna ask GPT. Let's just go to wherever it is. Let's go in here. Say hello to the K chat. Alright, alright. Yeah, sure, man. Hmm. So the problem here is that choice in the match cases won't be picked up in the output, and the output as they are the out of its scope. So how do I so is there a way to make it work without using if else condition? If I'm inside each arm is scope, that's so continuity. Yep, I don't want to use if else. You can use a separate variable to store the string representation. I could do that. Uh, okay, I could do that. So it's telling me to use another variable instead of using the same one. And but what if I wanna keep using the choice variable? Hmm. Net skills. All right. I mean, that is quite possible. Okay. Okay. So it's saying, hey, if it's choice, if it's 1, 2, 3, you selected this and choice minus 1. What the fuck? I haven't read this part in. Uh, what do you call it? The doc set. As you size. Alright, this is now an invalid selection. Interesting. Mm-hmm. I mean, uh, wait a minute, let me do. Would you like to explain this part? I haven't yet read that in docs. I do know this one. If choice is 1, 2, or 3, the code block follows the pattern execute. This is a way to combine multiple patterns into a single matchup. Interesting. So this would improve the performance of it, I guess. I didn't know this was even possible in choice because I haven't reached that part in the docs yet. Obviously, means that if choice 1, 2, 3, the code block is a way to combine multiple patterns into a single match arm. Alright, it's useful when you want to handle several cases in the same way. Hmm. But the problem is that isn't the problem. Um, if choice is 3, then choice minus 3 is choice minus 1 is 2, which corresponds to Kelvin. Alright. The as use size is used to convert the result of choice minus 1, which is an I32 to a U size, which is type for array indexing in us. Wait a minute. Array in Rust is U32 and not I32 by default like other numbers. The default in your type is not U32, I32, rather it is I32. However, the type of an array is determined by the type of its element, and you can specify the type of an element. Alright. The default type in nested I32, which is a signed bit. Yep, that's what I was saying. Okay. So I was right. The part is we can do this, but the problem is we would need to use another variable, I guess. Okay, so we can do scale, let scale, what was it, a fucking thought. Yeah, I could do this too directly. I don't really need to go print it. Okay, this would be a much better approach, personally, I think. Hmm. Personally, I think this would be a better approach than this. You know what? I am gonna use this one. How do you just like a normal array? It's just a normal array. All right. Scale equals. Okay, so now we can combine these, and as for 1, 2 and 3, I'm just gonna leave some gap in between them so it's better to read. Okay, now what's the error? Okay, I did use motherfucking choice here, you bastard. Alright, so it's saying that it doesn't need to be mutable. Well, you're not wrong, it doesn't. And now it's really like alright, unused variable. We can now do this, and in here we can use io stdin dot read underscore not line. Okay. Cannot mutate and unmute. Alright, let's just call it. It's mutable now. It should be a number though. The problem is it should be a number. Uh, should I handle the error right now? Should I just come back to it later on? I mean, if it's a number, it's completely fine. But if I only want it to be a number. Uh, let what should I call it? Unsigned 34 or unsigned or signed? I just call. I'm just gonna leave is size. What's wrong here? Anywhere you can bind value. Nah, the problem is okay. The syntax is wrong. Wait a minute, isn't that how you do it? Or does it goes after it? But come on, now it's like oh, all right, given all right, I would have to do this, pass it here, dot pass. Now what's the error now? No method name pass found on enum result in the current scope. Method not found in. I do remember there was pass, so I don't know in which one. Hmm. I remember. It wasn't like this, but rather it was like, wait a minute, here you go. Oh, come on. So, before directly showing the input, let's parse it. What was it? Input equals to, yep, trim not to the string. I'm not a dumb. Parse, unwrap. All that. So it's like now input isn't being read. I could do one more thing. Why don't I take input before the, I took, by the input I meant, why don't I took the temperature input before this, before taking if it's Celsius, Fahrenheit or Kelvin. I could do that part too. Hmm. Wait a minute. Let me. I could do that. That would work perfectly fine too, but for now, let's just print it. For now, let's just test it. Let's remove it and just call cargo run. Let's just call, hey, it's what do you call it? It's in Celsius. Fucking hell, not in one. I wanted like that dumb bastard. Um, just say, hey, it's 30 degrees Celsius. Uh, why is it calling that? Okay, I get it. Why it did that? Now let's try it again. Hey, it's burning hot out there. Yep, it it just works. Hmm. Now what I'm thinking about doing is, instead of doing this, I'm thinking about changing the input above and then moving it, changing the input above, then choice. Now what it would allow me to do is, instead of this shit, I can just directly send it to a function where, let's just say, the problem is I would need another thing, and that is to convert. What do they even want to convert? The, that's like, huh? So let's call scale something else. Hmm. Let's first print. No man, I don't wanna do print that. What do you want to convert temp into? And here it's getting bit like, huh? I mean, instead of doing this shit, wait, I mean, for now, I'm gonna do one more thing, and just so I don't have to like continue doing this shit, I would call it, let's just say, not a scale. Hmm. Let's call it unit. Now happy. Now now I can type just unit in here. All right, I have to let unit. All right. Before that, let's remove these additional gaps I did. Like, so the fuck was happening in there? Obviously, I from Celsius to Celsius would be like, huh? Would be a bit dumb. That would be like a bug. I know that I would leave it right there, but hmm. You know what? No man, not this. I do have to like give them menu. Celsius to Celsius is dumb, but if someone's wanna go do that, then hey, be my friend, man. Oh shit. I just realized something. It would have been much better to code if I just have used if else. But my dumb brain refuses to do that. No one's watching. Aside from Diggs, by the way, one who I think left. Because I didn't have the chat open, sorry. What it's saying is, alright, I forgot this, now happy. The problem is, if someone chooses like, I can do the same thing if the choice and hmm, I can try one thing. So no, but no the choice input. No the input. What should I call it? I'm calling it to convert to let. To convert to instead of choice, it should be input. Now for now I'm hoping that they're gonna give me the, what do you call it? Forget it. I realized something I was going to do. I wanted to use another match. Uh, but not like this. I have something in plan. If I can use match, no, yes, I was trying to do something like this. Convert to Celsius, not to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Alright. Mismatch type expecting found integer. Not the choice, bitch. It would be input cause my dumb fuck name did that, so does the input has a choice? It is sorry, it is choice. I do have to make choice and choice equals choice stream. That should like fix it. What's the fucking error again? Why? Okay, I think it's showing the upper one, which is different. So let's call it to convert to. I could call it TCT, but that's a dumb option. To convert to. Alright. Let's call it to convert to. Let me move to string. Okay, so it, but it's not a fucking string, man. It 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 isn't a string. This expression has string type. The problem is this one isn't a string. I fucking passed it right here. Hmm. By the way, I am in case if what do you call it, choice equals to what do you call it? Um, to convert to print a macro. No. This is bother. I ain't no. What did it say? I ain't no dumb. Return. No, what's the other? The problem is why the fuck it is even finding the string when it isn't. I mean, yes, if you're looking at this, then this is a string, but it's been converted into a fucking into a fucking parse. It's been passed into an integer. You know what? I am gonna ask something. Ask to GPT. Here to convert to is being converted or passed. Wait a minute, I just realized something. I just realized something. Sorry, it is my fault. It should be signed, unsigned, signed. It should be signed, unsigned. My brain is going blanks. I-32, I guess. Well, that should fix it. Use of undeclared create-of module to convert to. Wow. I would have to see. Erasers. Anyways, I figured I didn't pass it correctly. What's I did this dummy, but I didn't. Right, I can do I-32. Some so it's using an expect to. Okay, we have to like use let. Okay, so now it's fixed. Expect. But the pass is now given a fucking error. What do you mean, brother? What do you mean? Cannot infer type parameter f declare on the method pass. The problem is I don't really know. Because pass is so general, it can cause problem with type interface. As such, pass is one of the few times. Wait a minute, I can't even read it. Pass where it is. Which is known as the turbo free. Alright, this helps the information resource type you're trying to pass into. So it needs annotation, but isn't there an annotation already? The past needs an annotation. Okay, you do have mentioned directly after the pass. I didn't know that, or maybe I did and I fucking forgot like a thumb fuck. I-32? What the fuck was that, man? Is it just single one? Dummy? Expected one of dot question mark as font. But it okay, sorry, it is my fucking fault, man. You have to use arms apparently. But this shit is okay, so I am in the wrong here. No, it's raising a fucking error. Rest C is raising some sort of error, which I don't know what, which we'll find out after running it, I guess. And before doing that, I think I should do the same with input. What was in input? I fucking forgot again. Input had all that. The temperature itself was in input. Let's pass it correctly then. I-32 night. Let input and 32. This one isn't causing an issue, but this shit is. What if I remove expect condition? Now it's not causing an issue. Huh? But why? It should work with expect. This fucking bastard. No method name expect found for I-32 in the current scope. What should I say, man? You know what? For now I'm just removing the expect itself. Now to convert to Celsius, Fahrenheit, and convert to Kelvin, I can create them. Those function convert to Celsius. This fucking AI is giving me all the stuff I need anyways. What would I need? Alright, let's go then. I mean, who fucking cares? Well, I don't think I need this because I have planted this, so I can remove this. What is this? Similarly, name function convert to Celsius defined here. Where the fuck is, huh? Where is a similarly named function? Convert to Fahrenheit, tempi 32 unit, ampersand string, and then I32 match unit. Alright. Problem is, alright, I type in string here. It should be fine now. The problem is I can't understand the fuck you mean by similarly named function. Similarly named function? I'd need an explanation for it because wait a minute, before someone alright, so no one popped up. I thought someone popped up. Let's leave a comment. Wait a minute. This was the comment, right? Oh, it's double slash. User I mean, let's say user interface and no. Interesting. So it's like it found this one, but it can't find this one. Okay. I wrote it convert instead of convert. All right, man. Here you go. Why is it releasing? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Fahrenheit. I wrote it Fahrenheit. No, Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit. Now it should be fine. Okay, I will leave an extra line here. Now let's test it. Hey, let's just say, but it's too hot in here, 40 Celsius. What do you want to convert into? I don't know. Maybe did I use a print statement somewhere instead of print line? Let's go to Celsius. I ain't no dum dum. Anyways, for real this time, let's go with 40. Let's go with Fahrenheit. How much is 40 Fahrenheit? Or 40 Celsius? It's Celsius. Let's just say 40, 30. Oh, sumimasen. I was wrong. I was wrong. 40 Kelvin. So 40 Celsius is where the fuck is it, man? But I can't even read it properly because some idiot forgot to give it proper padding. And also I don't know, okay, this one's giving it. Well, yep, I use the print instead of print line here. And I don't really want to give it colors right now. What I can do, print, just print, not enter your choice. Okay, where is the next print? Let's just add an extra line. Bother, this shit is just refactoring the code. Okay, let's add print enter your choice. Buy. Let's just buy. No, buy, no. All right. Okay. Should I? Yep, I am gonna. Who's gonna stop me from this? I mean, I purposefully made this shit complex for myself, which I'm not. It is a double edged sword. Enter your choices. Let's just say it's 1. Hey, enter the temperature in Celsius. Let's just say 40. Um, in Fahrenheit, 104. Okay, 40 in Fahrenheit is 104. So, I need to change it. 40C. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, then there would be another thing, unit. Sumimasen, then unit. Unit, we do need that. Should be better now. Let's just add C in here, F in here, and K in here. We should like improve the readability a bit. Okay, I fucking added print, but for some reason it like, you want print align? Okay, this would be print too. I think the rest is fine. Let's try to run the cargo run. What the fuck? Temperature in Celsius 40 Fahrenheit. Now there's something. It is a print, right? And why the fuck did it not pop up when it's supposed to? Now why the fuck is print not working? No, let's try to build it. Why the fuck is it not printing? 40 Fahrenheit. Okay, now let's test it on my own temp convert. Not this one, brother, my own one. I mean the one I created for this. Let's just test 40. But the Kelvin isn't even showing up in here. Why? 3 Kelvin. I don't know why, but the Kelvin isn't even like showing up. So I will have to use someone else. Let's go type temp convert. Alright. Hmm. What the fuck is simple point of water? Not bad. Wonderful. Rio 13.5 is Kelvin. Let's try it with Kelvin this time. Hmm. I would have to change a few things in here now. From I32 to F32 or F64. Hmm. I forgot about something. The temperature is going to be in a float. Let's see. So input is actually going to be F. Should I just give it like 64? Let's just give it F32. F32. Okay, input is now F32. Okay. What if I give it F64? Mm. Why it's just cause I'm going forward with F64. It's the temperature is now in, I think, F64, and it should return F64 too. Cannot subtract from, so the trace of is not intended for the following. Hmm. So you're telling me that F32 would be better? Okay, 0.00. What about now? This fucking bastard is going to give me a fucking Caesar, man. Come on. This fucking bastard. This shit needs no precision, I guess. Ugh. F64 should also return F64. Alright, at 00, like that's going to change something. Others, you should. Why am I even doing this at this point? If I had known, I wouldn't have like bothered doing it. Alright, let's go. 64. Okay, I'll check the chat in a second. I hope no one's okay. So no one's new has been here. Interesting. I cannot test it again. It's in Celsius, 40 Celsius. Alright, 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 alright. 43, still giving me 313k. You dumb fool. Ah. Hmm. Problem is, I want it to print for the floating point in C. We had to mention, hey, this is a float, but I don't know what we have to do in C. Oh, I'm interested. Like from here, it's returning the float 64. Like this is returning float 64. The problem is it's not printing it. So I can ask GPT why is that. If FN mentioned here returns F64, but it's still printing. What do you call it? Integers in output. But it's not printing. But it's not printing floating point numbers. So, but it's not printing point by default, like you said. Wait a second, let me test. Yep, if the value is this, it's the value for x. That is printing 313. All right. So we have to explicitly mention it. Interesting. Like it's pretty similar to C, but it shouldn't. I don't remember mentioning it ever before. Like in the guessing game, the swipe pattern. Okay. Point 2. in Celsius, 40 Celsius in Kelvin. Brother, it is. I'm fucking getting angry. It's not getting. Hmm. Let's just man, nope. It still prints like the nope, prints like 3.3.00. 3. Yeah, the function. Input is like F64. But it's directly printing the converted value. You don't have to do that. Input is F64. I could like just do this and see what it says. What you mean by I mean there could be improvements. Nope, I don't need that. I don't need that. Nope. The conversion of Fedora is done safely, but subtracting one from twice before indexing. No, no. How did it changed? I don't think it changed much, but it's not. The problem is it didn't. What I can do is after matching it, but that would like it running, but do I care about running it? Nope. Oh, matching unit. I mean, why? Why the fog? I even thought this should say. You know what? Hmm. We can do this again. Like ask it. So this code isn't printing was correctly, like instead of 313.15 it just prints 313.00. So yeah, I meant the wrong. Did I send it the wrong thing? Okay, I sent it the macro one. I mean this one. But I'm not formatting it. Println macro without Google special should correctly format out. Now if you still origin functions returning values that are rounded or truncated. The problem is it shouldn't round it off, man. Okay, we can do this to 73.50. I didn't know it was like 273.15, so I just put into 73. I just tested, not 16, 15. Now let's test it. It's in Celsius, 40 in Kelvin. Brother still gives. Ah, in the convert function, if the input value matches the target unit, function now returns the input. Nope, still the same thing. Brother, uh, maybe I'm doing something that I shouldn't. Maybe it's not like it is returning F64, but maybe for some reason it thinks it's not F64, like it's not a floating point for some reason. Maybe thinking that. The problem is I can't understand why. Input is F64. Is it because this one is I32, so it's thinking whatever in it should be I32? Is that the reason? Uh, is it thinking like that because to convert 2 is I. It will lead to an unexpected result. Why the fuck? Is precision not working? Nah, I don't really want it now. The thing is, I can't really get why. Why the fuck is precision not working? Input is F64. It is a floating point. And it gets with input is F64, which gets sent to let's just say what function which returns F64 floating point, but in println it's not printing the floating point correctly. Why is that? I don't really know. Dun, 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 dun. Wait a second. Maybe this was the reason, because some dumb idiot forgot to change fix its value. 40 Celsius in Kelvin. Finally, it's fucking working. So it was working fine. It was just me because I didn't set up it. Didn't set it up properly, so it was me. Did I just say, hey, I have like 104.68 Fahrenheit to convert in Celsius. 104.68 in Celsius. Now we can look at it. 104.8 from Fahrenheit to Celsius. 40.4444. It is 40.38. So how the fuck did it get 40.4444? 104.68. Did it did the 4.6 and remove the 8? Could be. We can try it again. What was it? I forgot. 104.68. It's in Fahrenheit. 104.6 in Celsius. Let's just say 104.68 in Celsius. It's still not precise. Okay, so in a sense, so 1 Celsius is this, 1 Fahrenheit is this Kelvin. instead of doing that, shouldn't I have like just copy pasted this shit? That would have been an easier job to do. Hmm. Okay, so it's still off a bit, like it is still off. Soka, 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 soka. Look, I wanna make sure the values are exact, like fucking precise. A bit of them being a bit off is a bit weird. Fuck off, man. Fuck off. I'm not using this. No, no. Brother. No, I don't care about this. I mean, didn't it use the correct one? We can measure it side by side, the formula I made. 24 it starts, okay, from here. So it's time to match the formulas. Alright, we can do this. Match them. A bit up. Temp minus 32 multiply. Well, it is the same. It is fucking same, then why is it messing with the precision a bit? It's not that big of a difference, but it irritates me. Fuck off, man. It's multiplying the values would have been much easier, but I guess this is correct too. What if I just do the expect to convert to? I use is an expert. But when I'm matching, I don't really need to use expect if I'm matching. I think when to and then an L in my, it should show like in my selection. Like if I type 4, it shows index is out of bound. Huh. The problem is, should I just return at that point after doing a, so it's like it doesn't does how there is like for all rest. Why is this I32? What about if I R? The thread panicked. Uh, so I have to do error handling now. Anyways, I forgot how long it's been. Nearly 2 hours for just a single question. Well, it's not exactly the same. I went a bit far ahead of myself. Now is the time for proper error handling. Alright. 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 Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Don't want the program to panic. What if I do this shit? And I'm like, hey man, you know it's pretty sad, but return at this point. Now what if control escape open this? I don't knew that. Anyways, what if I do now? E. This shit is still panicking. Okay. It at least doesn't panic for I32 things now. Oh, I just realized something. I realized something. It panicked because I've already changed it to I32 and then I'm testing it, which is like home, which is a questionable thing if you're looking at it. It at least will panic now at numbers, but it still will panic. I don't really know. I can do this. And ask so this code doesn't panic if it's a number, but does if it's a string. It doesn't panic probably because of this, because this is fucking I32, but I wanna know how I can like change it. Alright. right. The problem is the expect is if expect in there, not this one. There was. So I have to change it a bit. It's passing right here, and if it was correct, then this and like this. I could try to that. My laptop is fucking heating right now. I wait a minute. I've taken out the charger. It's fucking heating up. All right, so I will have to modify a lot. We can remove it. Do a choice dot trim. Does this work now? Am I doing it correct? You don't have to unwrap. All right. Trim. All right. There comes an arm. And then comes your fucking condition. Okay. Come on. Fucking bust. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not good. One, two, three. Yeah. Hello, what is wrong? Let me see. Let, I'm not just copy paste. No, no, no. I won't copy paste. What am I doing fucking wrong in here? Alright, I haven't passed it properly. I forgot about that. I actually haven't passed it properly. Oh, I have. Mm, 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 mm. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Wah, wah, wah. Problem is, this shit isn't work. Alright, probably because I do have to do this. It is expecting a semicolon, which is like interesting. No, bitch. Mm, excuse me, what the fuck? I see what I did wrong. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I just realized how dumb I am. No, here you come another match condition. If I'm not wrong. Yeah. Now I think I should let the scale up a bit. The reason for it is I do use scale later on. No. Mm. What's the error? For all. Alright, we have to use error for all. Mm. Mm. No man, it shouldn't. Eh. Now what the fuck's is problem here? Twice. This. Now what the fuck's problem? Okay. Okay, O is capital for okay. So you're telling me that should fix it? This dumb fuck. As an expression can only be used to convert between primitive type to goes to a specific trait object. Alright. So what it's saying? To fix this, maybe I need, but the problem is it will be under its scope, which may or may not hinder things. Huh. It will fucking hinder a lot of things, which I don't really want. This fucking bastard, man. I have a stupid little idea. What if... Give me a moment. What if I don't fucking do what it says and take a chance at it? Will it still work now? Nope. Nope, it won't. Can I... What if I remove one wrap? Nope. But I don't wanna... How do I explain it? Problem in this part isn't the problem. It will create problem for later on. Like for this part. What if I convert the choice later on? So that fixes the problem. Now let's test it. Hey, I want the 4. Okay, invalid. What if I say tee? It doesn't panic anymore. Yes, it doesn't panic. I mean, yes, it doesn't panic at least. I could like use a loop or something, so like it could go back, but it's a bit troublesome to do that. Did I make it complex for myself? Yes. Was it purposefully done? I'd say kind of. Like, it was purposeful of me to make it a bit more complex. But I did a bit more than usual. I don't want it to panic. The problem with panicking is, I think if a program panics, it does take more resources while panicking. Maybe but that's just what I think. Because while a program crashes, probably spikes up resources. When a program panics, aka crashes, does it spike up the resources and might mess up things for OS? All right. Well, at least it's better to, isn't it better to use return instead of panicking? Hmm. Anyways, what I thought wasn't really that thing. Maybe it is, but not in this case, or maybe. Where was I? Again. Alright. I managed, where was I to fix this? I fixed the Celsius scale. So, the other input that I have to give it, it panics at the input, alright. So the other one is input, and after input, so there are two more arrow handles that I have to do. The first one is an input, and the second one is into convert to. So wait a minute, I'll be back in like a few seconds. I'm gonna go on a washroom or toilet break. Before going forward, I would like to test if my voice was like even going on. Alright, continue. My laptop's getting hot, like a bit hot, hotter than usual. Hmm. Hello, I'm hoping um alright, so I think my voice before was way slower than it should have. I don't know now why, but it generally was slower. Why the oh, someone was watching me and now they aren't. So they left. I don't know why. I mean, one was my okay, someone is here. Um Hello, whoever is here. So where was I? I had to I had to handle the errors, if I remember it correctly. All right, whoever is here, hello, hello, hello. Where was I? So I had to do error handling for the input, and I think to convert to. Now where is the input? Here. So I would need to change this a bit. Hmm. All right. Now the can I can like match it before like converting it. Match input. Hopefully this works. All right, this is giving me error anyways. If okay, then mm, 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 mm. So would this continue the program or would it fuck it up? We gotta let's find out. Let's just say for now we want to convert 40 Celsius. No, I meant E. Alright, this works. The second one is done. Well, whoever it was left apparently, so without even like messaging something. Okay, the second was Now I could like use a loop in here, like while, like I could use a while condition or like an infinite loop until they give me the correct thing, but I don't know if it's appropriate to do that, or should I just use it just because I can. I, I'm having the urge to use the loop around here. Uh, you know what? I'm gonna do something which might not be the perfect thing to. I am gonna do this. Ta-ta-ra-ra-ta. I am gonna do this. It's like it's never gonna break, like it's gonna say something like, hey, this. Nah, man, I'm talking about this grayish error. Don't know. So it's saying anything in this scope is unreachable. Ah. So, so this loop needs to scale, all right. So this would like loop give back what input. Let's just say input break input. Let's just try something on here. Oh, let's just say it returns a string, I guess, because we are like changing it after here. Hmm. A string. What's there? Expected a code block. I'm in a bit of a pickle now. Problem is, how do I make the loop return something? Because apparently, whatever in its the loop I can't bring out. I think I did something study. I will have to open this in control flow. Yep. What if there's a value inside a loop that I want to like bring out? What do I do then? Oh. Hmm. Uh, what one thing I think can be done is This should be outside, I guess. Not. I can remove this. Ah. Can I do this? No. Other. The problem is I don't know how to make a loop return. I should ask. How do I make a loop return a value in C in Rust? You can. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Okay, I forgot I could do that. I literally forgot. Wait a minute, let me take care of my shit. Alright. So I think this was working. Was there here? Okay. What we can do is the problem is I'm also like starting a string in here. So what should I call it? It's I'm also starting like a string in here. I think there's a way. What if I just use a loop like this? No one's stopping me from it. It's gonna be like, okay, I know that it's indefinite. That's why here the condition was supposed to be break it. E. Alright, it doesn't work now. Celsius E. Invalid input, invalid input, invalid input. Your brother, it works. R 67854. I do. This is a fucking number, man. Excuse me, sir. the, the the problem is it's not even validating this shit right now. If the condition is okay, it should continue. Oh, wait. I realize something. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. The problem is it's the brake condition isn't even working. Let's ask GPT. We can ask GPT, why do you think the brake condition isn't working in here? Uh, at the start of, okay, so we have to clear the previous one, or oh, I didn't know that because I thought you could overwrite it, but apparently it's appending it instead of overwriting it, which is dot clear. But this shit still doesn't work. So it wasn't that problem. Then what is the problem? So it's using trim to remove anything that could have left here. I mean, we could use trim too to like reduce anything that should have left. We can also use input.clear just in case it doesn't get fucking cleared. So now we can again like test it. E, alright, 34. Yo, so it probably was trimming it out, I guess. It so trimming, it wasn't getting trimmed, so I think that was causing the problem. The gaps were something, I guess, that were causing the problem. Alright, so now we come to the third one, which is selecting. I think I should use the loop there too, which I guess is the choice to convert to one. Uh, in this matching condition, I can introduce, I think. Should I? No. Problem is, it already has a match condition. I'm just like beneath it. Should I like shift it above here? What should I do? Hmm. Should I put the loop around here or later on, like above, just above right here? Or should I like shift this into that too? It's now there are like some conditions that I've been thinking about. Uh, I don't have much time left, so I have to like think fucking early. Wait a second, what should I do now? Like I could like put around a loop around here. The problem is I am converting it so like it could be matched. The problem is if it's something else than a number, it would fucking snap right at the point. And I don't want it to snap. So for that, I can use a loop. But the problem is I don't want to increase more complexity and somehow want to like introduce that thing into here. Okay, how should I pursue this one? Hmm. Like if I just do this, expect, the problem is this would give me an error that hey, it's you can't do that with i32. So I think what I am gonna do though, eh, it's a bit of a pain, but I would create a loop around here. Okay, one match. What the fuck is this? Okay, yeah, I could like do that. I will have to remove this. Let's test it now with E. Alright, it closes directly. 1E. Oh, E. Alright, the third one I guess not doesn't just go boom directly. Should I just put a loop on the first one too? But I don't think I should. But that's just a personal thing. Wait a second. Let me try this again. Let's say it's a 4. It says hygiene valid choice. I just realized something. No, that shouldn't be the case, is it? Problem that I'm having is why the fuck is it um what if I call it like print 2? Mother. Alright, let me clear it first, man. Okay, this is sad. I mean, what I want is for it. Uh, let's just stop it, clear it, and do cargo run again. The problem is, why the fuck is it showing after I put the number? That part is like messing up my brain. You see, let's just say E in my number 3 or why the fuck it shows entry choice after? Why is it showing it after putting the choice? That's a bit weird. There is 4 under 2. Let's just ask GPT why does it does that. The print macro outputs text to the console but does not automatically flush the output buffer, which means the text may not appear immediately on the screen. To ensure that prompt appears immediately before the user is expected to enter the choice, you can use the flash method to. Okay, now it's asking me to use flash output buffer. I think I imported the entire IO but who cares? So I will have to like flush it. Let's try that. Okay. Okay, so now it's working. So I would have to flesh it out. Each and every single fucking time. Bye bye. So this is for the choice or input. Alright, this is for the input. So I really am not like, there's no like, wait, let me test 3. Okay, I see what I did. Mm, let's do um we can copy that again. Sorry, not on a line, but instead we can use, okay. I'm just making it bigger and bigger for no reason. E, I would have to like write it here, about here. All right. So that fixes that. Hmm. Hmm. Now what? Now we can like flush it out again. Am I making it a bit more clunky? Yes. Would it be slower for people? Probably. But I, what I can do here before closing is println. Bye bye. I can type bye bye here. Say, let's say print ln. Oh, input, then choice. I hope I'm right, you son of a bitch. Oh, ha ha. Brother, can't you just figure it out, or are you just trying to like? Let's go 59. Hmm. However, now 60 Celsius into 60 Celsius to 60 Celsius, you got 60 Celsius. Bye bye. I think it's finished now. I've handled all the errors it possibly could give. Fucking hell. It's bigger than I thought. That's what she said. That was a joke. E to R, alright, 23 T 3 Kelvin minus 2618. I think I've handled all the cases or the error handling thing. No, I don't know if the code is optimized or not, because that was a joke. You know what? You know what? You know what? Let's ask GPT. I mean, I took 3 hours to fucking do this. With the I even took help of fucking Chat GPT to do this, because I couldn't figure out some stuff. How optimize is my code? Let's see what it says. What? E. Am I dumb? Must did something happen to my network? Well, YouTube is working completely fine, you dumb piece of Let's shift to how optimized is this is my code. Let's see what this is. I've used like result and match in some cases. I know there's duplication in your input function. I could do that. Huh. Yeah, I could do that. It's just more painful. I did think of breaking it down more. I like doing the what do you call it, the testing or like the validation out of it, because it's like how I'm leaving everything to it when I didn't want it to use just main for everything. I could like, yeah, break it down more. Wait a minute, let me put my chart in. Oh, yep, I can definitely break it down more, but do I really want to? The question is. I could do that, but it's troublesome, man. it definitely would be a good thing if I break it down more, that function more and did the validation somewhere else. The problem is it would take time. It still would have like repetition. The problem is the reason is the function, I guess. You can see it probably would have repetition here because I don't think I know I could like break it down more, but do I really want to? I don't have much time left. I have to do something else. So I don't think I will be doing this. Interesting. Hmm. I mean, I could break it down more, but do I really want to? Is the question, which is eking me out a bit if I should or should I not. Ha, ba, ra, ba, ba, ra, ba, ra, ba, ra, ba, ra, ba, bam. I can do this. I can do this. I mean, what should I do at this point? What the fuck is this unreachable thing? What is this an inbuilt function? Unreachable. Let me test if this is an unreachable function. Let's open here. Say a is equal to. Oh yeah. What if I say unreachable boy, unreachable boy? Now what if I wanna solve that if it says unreachable. Panicked. I think it panicked at unreachable, but you know what? I am like happy with it. I don't really wanna do. I know I could break it down more. It's a pain in the ass, man. The truth is, it's pain to continue. But my cookies got soggy. How they call it? A bit soggy just by sitting here. Hmm. I don't really have like much time. I only have like 5 minutes before I have to do something else. Should I? Look, I don't have enough time for it to modify. I can do this tomorrow, or maybe I can try to do this tomorrow. For now, let's like cargo run it, just test it, final test, like T, that enter number, alright, cargo run, and alright, that is completely fine. We could also do please enter your choice with 1, uh, that enter number, try again, 6. What do you want to convert Celsius term to convert? Very good wording, man. 6, 5G, 6G, alright. 3. I think I'm gonna commit git add all git commit minus m initial commit, I guess. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, 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 alright. Huh. I may or may not like refactor it, but I probably should to make it more easier to read, I guess. But I don't really. Anyways, I will do it tomorrow. Hope if I don't slack off, and hopefully I will cover this other remaining stuff. Hopefully I won't complicate this, won't overcomplicate this stuff. No way I'm ready. I'm getting to the fourth chapter, and I do have plans like 2 other exercises before